Okay, for this activity, we are going to be putting these cards that you see in the correct box. So we have addition, subtraction, and multi-step. So some of these cards are like, they might be addition, they might be subtraction, they might be multi-step. And all we are identifying is what operation these cards are. We are not solving for the answer. You're not adding, you're not subtracting, you're not doing any of that. All I want to do is I want you to tell me, are they addition, subtraction, or are there multiple steps in the problem to get the answer? What operation do you have to do? To get the answer, do you have to add? To get the answer, do you have to subtract? To get the answer, do you have to do both of them? And if you have to do both of them in the same problem, that's a multi-step problem, okay? That's all we're going to be doing. So I'm going to model for you, and then you're going to practice, and then I'm going to model again, and then you're going to practice. So this first question, Sean saved $39. He got $14 for his birthday. Sean spent $12 at the movies. How much money did Sean have then? Okay, so I'm going to think about this question. How much money did Sean have then? That's what it's asking me to find out. How much money did Sean have then? Did Sean have when? What happened in this story problem? Okay, how much money did he have when? Well, he saved $39, then he got $14, then he spent $12. So let's try plugging this into a strip diagram, okay? So he saved $39. I'm going to type $39 saved. Then he got $14. So maybe he got that for his birthday. Maybe he got it for Christmas. Okay. Received, he got that money, and then he spent some. Well, that tells me that there's another step. Okay, and this strip diagram, I can only do this much so far. So this right here tells me, how much money did he have then? Well, did he have then? I know he had $39, then he got $14 more, and then he spent some. So he had some, he got some, he spent some. I want to figure out how much money did he have then. That is going to be a multi-step problem. And so this is going to go under multi-step. Okay, let's look at this next one. Marley had 576 stickers. She used 325 of them on her project. How many stickers does she have now? How many stickers does she have now? If it's asking me how many she has now, that means she had more before. So let's try plugging this into my strip diagram. Marley had 576 stickers and she used 325 of them. Well, she had this many and she used this many. How many does she have now? I'm trying to figure out how many she has now. I know that there was a starting amount. The starting amount was 576 stickers. That's how many she started with. And I'm going to type started with. Okay. Then she used 325. This is how many are left. That is my question. How many does she have now? If I have a total and one part, I'm going to be subtracting. Let's look at this next one. 347 people went to the movies on Monday. 239 people went on Tuesday. How many people went in all? How many people went in all? In all. In all, and when that's in the question, when in all is in the question, that's very important to hear that and understand that. When the words in all are in the question, you're going to be finding a total. Sometimes that's adding, sometimes that's multiplying. In this case, it's going to be addition. How many people went in all? Well, I know I had 347 on Monday, 239 on Tuesday. This is the total number of people, and I don't know that answer. That's why I put my question marks there. That is what is going to give you your answer, or this is where your answer is going to be. To find your answer, you have a part and a part. When I have two parts, I know that I am going to be adding them, or when you have your parts, you're adding or you're multiplying. And in this case, we're going to be adding. So you're going to practice doing this on the next slide, and I want you to be plugging numbers into your strip diagram. If you can't finish your strip diagram, there's a good chance it's a multi-step problem, and then you're going to move them. Not all of them are going to necessarily have one in addition, one in subtraction, one in a multi-step. There could be more than one in each category.